Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today video we're going very excited because in today video I'm talking about Axie Infinity token guys. That what's coming in Axie Infinity, what's the next move of Axie Infinity, and how much Axie Infinity will continue this huge pump. So let's start the video. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please hit the subscribe button for more latest news and update videos about Axie Infinity guys. And now on other side, if we talk about the changes of Axie Infinity, and if we talk about the price update of Axie Infinity, so the current price of Axie Infinity is 21.04 US dollar, 21.04 US dollar. That is the current price of Axie Infinity. Other side, if we talk about the last 1 hour changes, negative 0.28%. That is the negative changes of Axie Infinity just in last 60 minutes. And if we talk about the last 1 day, last 1 week changes of Axie Infinity, so these all changes of Axie Infinity as positive in the market guys. So that's mean that from yesterday Axie Infinity starts pump. Let's see the price chart of Axie Infinity. Wow, amazing guys. As you can see here, the price chart of Axie Infinity pump highly and approximate from 20.12 cent, 20.1214 cent. The price of Axie Infinity pump to 21.12 cent guys, 21.22 US dollar. That is the highest price of Axie Infinity in last 24 hours guys. So that's mean that in a previous time, in last 1 day, the price of Axie Infinity highly pumped, but unfortunately, as you can see here, now they are again pumping guys. No, never sell Axie Infinity. As I show you guys that last 60-minute changes is negative, so that's not mean that you have to sell. No guys, never sell Axie Infinity, just hold guys, because another quick pump is coming soon in Axie Infinity guys. By the way, remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest news and update videos.